old video. Done. We're back with another video. Head talk. I'm waiting.
That's it? What are the two
The money's over there. The money's over here. $15. I'm out of the store. About to be pranking you. Y'all about to see like that. See that? I got all that. So, even though I'm a little kid, I watch this story. So, you're 8 years old. Oh, gee. Damn, that little car was so fast. I was wondering how fast she was getting up. So I hit full speed, get my feet in. Like a car. You know, like you can see I'm running. Running around it. I won't be going up and down, right? So yeah. For some whatever, what's this side door, okay? Running. I'm looking for. They haven't opened the door yet.